Very good morning class. So today we will start the new topic. In the previous topic we have learned about the construction where 4 sides and a diagonal was given. Now today we will learn about the condition where 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. So we will do the construction according to the condition what is given over here, and we will solve exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Quadrilateral LIFT is given and here all the measurement is given where what we have 2 diagonals and 3 sides. Okay, so let us have one rough diagram. So we can have one quadrilateral like this, LIFT. Okay, only this is the rough diagram. LI what we have here 4 centimeter is given. IF is 3 centimeter. TL is 2.5, LF is 4.5, LF that is the diagonal, that is 4.5, and another diagonal is IT, so that is here it is IT and its measurement is 4 centimeter. Okay, now it depends on you what you want to draw first, what you want to take the base as a diagonal or you want to take any line segment as a diagonal. So let us start with the step what I have written over here. So I will start with the baseline as line segment LI. So first construction is, first draw LI. What is the measurement over here? 4 centimeters. So you can write here L and I. Draw LI 4 centimeter. Our next step, draw an arc with the center I. Here we will take the center I and the radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, so we will take the radius 3 centimeter. So when we take the radius 3 centimeter, here we will put the I as the center and we will draw one arc. Okay, step number 3 is draw another arc with the center L and radius 4.5. Now here we will take the radius L and we will draw another arc for the 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so 4.5 we will take here and from with the center L we will draw one arc here. We cut the former arc at point F. So here is our point F. So we will write it as F. Okay, so first we are taking I as the center and drawn an arc with 3 centimeter radius, and afterwards we are taking L as the center and with 4.5 centimeter radius we have cut an arc over here. Now you can join the line segment IF and LF or you can move further on. So next our step is draw an arc with the center L. Now here we will take the center again L, but what will be the radius? 2.5. So 2.5 you can take the radius and you can draw one arc over here. Okay. Now another diagonal, which is a diagonal over here, is LT. Now the centimeter here it is 4. So draw another arc with the center I and the radius is 4. Okay. So again you can take the measurement of 4 as the radius and with the center I you can draw one arc like this. Okay. So here which meet the previous arc at T. This was our previous arc and which meet at T. So now last point is join LF, IF, LT and TF. Okay, all the line segment you have to join. So you will get the required quadrilateral. So first join all the line segment IF, TF, and here it is your diagonal. Okay. This was 4.5 here and this centimeter was 4 centimeter. And what you do here? Radius was 2.5. So LIFT is our required quadrilateral. Clear? The next question is to draw a quadrilateral quadrilateral, you have to construct a quadrilateral GOLD, and we have all the measurement of the sides and the diagonal. So let us draw one rough figure over here. So this is our quadrilateral, and mark it as GOLD. So first what we have, OL is 7.5. Next GL is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Next GD is given as 6 centimeter. LD is 5 centimeter. And your OD we have 10 centimeter. Okay. So in the previous construction we have taken one line segment as the base. Now you can have by your own, you can have diagonal as the base. So we will take here one diagonal as the base. Okay. So here first we will take GL as the base as the diagonal. So first we will construct GL with the measurement is 6 centimeter, and with the side construction what we will do, we will first construct this triangle. Okay, we will construct this triangle. So first क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें, first we will draw GL, then second step with the center L and the radius 5 centimeter we will draw one arc. Another with the center G and with the radius 6 centimeter we will draw another arc, and which will meet at the point D. Okay. और उसके बाद फिर हमें क्या करना है, D को सेंटर रखना है. ओके, देन वी विल टेक D एज द सेंटर बिकॉज हमें ये डायगोनल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. ठीक है, तो जब हम D एज द सेंटर रखेंगे, so what will be our radius then? 10 will be our radius, and somewhere it will lie the arc over here. Okay, 10 centimeter आर्क लिया. उसके बाद हमें नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करना है, L हमें सेंटर लेना है with the radius 7.5 centimeter, and again it will meet over here somewhere. Okay. So, and we will mark the point O there. So then afterwards you can join all the line segments. Let us do the construction. So first draw lines 6 centimeter GL. So here we have 6 centimeter. So let us be over 6 GL, that is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now next step was taking L as the radius and L as the center and radius 5 centimeter. Okay. Take the radius 5 centimeter and draw one arc. So this is our 5 centimeter. Okay. Next is taking 6 centimeter radius like this. Draw another arc. This is our 6 centimeter. So you can have your point D with the center L. Take the radius 5 centimeter and draw an arc with the center G and the radius 6 centimeter. Draw an arc which cut the and meets the point at D. Now next step was taking D as the center and radius 10 centimeter. So what you will take? We will take the radius 10 centimeter. Okay, take the radius at 10 centimeter and draw one arc with the center D. So here it is. So here it lies somewhere here. Okay. Now next step, what we will take, L as the center with 7.5 radius. So we will take 7.5 radius here. You can have your accurate measurement with the scale and the rounder. So here we will write 7.5, it will come here somewhere. Okay, so this is our point O. Now what you can do, now you can join LD, GD, LD. Here also you can join here OL, OG, and here it is OD. So this is your required construction GOLD. Okay. So you can write here also OD. So GOLD is your required quadrilateral. Question number 3 is given to construct a rhombus BE and D, and your measurement of diagonals are given. So here the condition for rhombus, property of rhombus is the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Okay. So keeping this property in the mind, let us draw a rough sketch. So here it is, we will take the rhombus over here. And what is the condition? That the diagonal meet at right angle. So what we have here, BE and D. So we have BN, this diagonal, as 5.6 centimeter, and another is DE, this straight right angle here. So it is 6.5. Okay, this is 6.5. Now what we will do here, first we will take the baseline BN. Okay, we will construct first BN 5.6 centimeter. So draw here 5.6 centimeter. Okay, this is your BN. First BN 5.6. Take the exact measurement with the help of your ruler and draw it with the pencil. And now what we will take, bisector we will take with the same measurement. So taking here with the help of a rounder, what we will do, we will take the bisector. Okay, so here first what we will do, take the complete measurement 5.6 लेंगे हम लोग राउंडर से total, और एक one with the center of B we will draw one arc like this, and another with the center and we will draw here an arc. Okay, again we will draw one arc, and with the B also we will draw here an arc. Okay, now this is a random bisector what we have taken. Now what we will do, our total measurement is for DE. Okay, this is our point where we got here D and E somewhere randomly we have taken. Now what we will do, here what should we have, 6.5 should be the total with the diagonal, means जो half है, this is total, so half will be half of 6.5. Okay, that will be 3.25. Okay, so here it will be 3.25, and above the point O it will be 3.25. Okay, so when we put the straight line here, first BN draw 5.6, draw the right side, right bisector of BN. So here this is the bisector, and with the radius to 3.5. Okay, so what we will have, so when you draw one line over here, you get the center. Now 3 lies somewhere here, 3.25. Okay, and here 3.25 is here, and another 3.25 is above is here. Okay, so now you can join. Here you can write the point D, and here you can write the point E now. Okay, so here you can join BE and ND and DB. So this is your required rhombus. So join all the line segment over here, BE, PN and D. So this is your required quadrilateral. And what the measurement we have taken here, it is 3.525, and this is also 3.25. Okay, so here you total you will get a 6.5. So BE and D is your required rhombus. Now please have the proper measurement with the help of your scale and rounder,